Do you like your food is very salty? And let me tell you why. Hi, this is Dr. Yu, 45 years, traditional Chinese medicine, and I'm going to share my wisdom with you for salty taste food. So for salty in Chinese medicine, we use salty taste direct the herbal go to work for the kidney. It's because salty go to the kidney. So every people they already have knowledge. This salt retaining water in your body and make the water cannot go through. So in vitamin and knowledge in salt make the potassium decline. So when the body doesn't have enough potassium and the salt would dominate, the salty, the sodium would dominate your body, make the water retaining in your body. So salty is really is the sign of the kidney function deficiency. So when you have that, you really have to watch because you put too much salt in your food and you eat too salty things. Then instead you put salt to sacrifice your taste. Then you have to go for eat more potassium food. Example for banana, right? And all such the natural vitamin they contain potassium. So that can erase your salty craving, and also drink more water, and to rinse up and the sodium in your body. So that subsides the sodium and craving. So salt craving pretty much is a sodium craving. So sodium craving is decline your kidney function, then you don't want to do that, and make sure and you don't sacrifice by eating more salt and do something else and drink more water, take more potassium food and vegetables, and anything else is from vegetable. They all have a lot of potassium, so that's a good source of the way to reduce the sugar craving, the salt craving. I'm sorry. So that's all I want to mention. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channels.